What's up, screen printers? It's Hernan from 𝗬𝗂𝘃 back again with Screen Print Direct, and today we're checking out the Onyx conveyor dryer. Make sure you stick around because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the exact same settings you should be using to make sure all your prints are fully cured every single time. Now, Screen Print Direct recently dropped their own line of professional grade equipment, and these are powered by Renar. So you already know it's made in the USA and it's backed by a brand that everyone in the industry trusts. And honestly, the first thing that surprised me is how compact this conveyor dryer is. If you're printing in a small room or in a garage or even doing live pop-ups, this thing is perfect. You've got an adjustable belt speed, a precise temperature control, and even a high adjustable heating element, so you can dial in everything depending what you're printing. And here's the part that I think a lot of you are gonna love. If you're printing from home, this thing plugs right into your standard power outlet. All right, let's go deeper into what this actually offers, because compact doesn't mean weak. This guy keeps up. You can easily cure around 100 shirts an hour with this conveyor dryer. That's real production compatibility for a dryer of this size for a home setup. It handles water-based inks and discharge inks, which is something a lot of small dryers struggle with. Let's break down the controls and why they matter for consistent curing. So on the main control panel, you have your on and off switch. Right next to that is the heat control, and then to the far right is the belt speed control. Belt speed controls how long the shirt stays under the heat. A slower belt speed will be best for thicker or water-based inks, and a faster belt speed will be best for your standard Plastisol inks. Then you have your temp control. This lets you lock in your cure temp so you're not guessing. And then the heating element height lets you control how close or spread out the heat is. When I'm running Plastisol prints, this thing gives me super consistent cures. And water-based is where you really see the difference between this and a flash dryer. You actually get even and control heat all the way across. All right, here's the question everyone is always asking. What are your cure settings? These are the settings that work perfectly for me. For Plastisol, I like to set my heat at 7, making sure that my prints are reaching anywhere between 260 to 280 Fahrenheit. And for the belt speed, I have it set anywhere between 15 and 20. And I have my heating element height set at the last one. And for water-based inks, I like to set my heat at 7 with the belt speed at 15 and the heating element height set at the last one. Whether you're curing Plastisol or water-based, you always want to use a temp gun to make sure your prints are hitting the cure temp. So who's the Onyx actually perfect for? Honestly, beginners who are looking to upgrade from a flash dryer, small shops, home printers, or anyone doing live events. If you want professional curing without dedicating a huge amount of space, this is it. If you're thinking about upgrading, this is honestly one of the best small form factor conveyor dryers out right now in the market. I gotta give it to Screen Print Direct. They nailed it with this one. As always, make sure you hit that like button if this video helped you out. If you like more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Any questions you may have, drop them down below. And as always, it's Hernan from 𝗬𝗂𝘃, and I'll catch you on the next one.